Once your phone to stay focused during work hours without setting it every day, you can schedule work mode to turn on automatically on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine. In the Mode section, tap Work, tap Turn on automatically, select Time Period, hit Choose Time, set it from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and select the days from Monday to Friday. Tap Done to save the schedule, and then tap Done again to save it to your work mode setting. With the setup, now your phone will switch to work mode at the exact time you set, keeping distraction away and helping you stay productive during your working hours. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.